little artists! Today we're drawing a cute and sparkly whale. Get your glitter ready. Let's dive in.
Welcome to Tiny Hands Art.
Yay!
First, I draw the whale's fluke. That's the tail. Then I draw the big round head and body shape. Next, I add the little flipper. I draw a happy mouth, a shiny eye, and the ventral pleats under its belly. Now I draw a splash of water coming from the top. Now it's time to color. First, I use black and gray for the eye and the ventral pleats. Whales make sounds like clicks, whistles, and songs to communicate with other whales. Then I use bright cyan to color the whale's whole body. Some whales travel thousands of kilometers in the ocean. During migration, they swim to find food or warmer waters. And finally, I use shiny blue for the water splash. Yay! Our sparkly whale is all done! If you had fun, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Tiny Hands Art for more glittery fun. See you next time. Bye!